Today, we live in a unique time. It is today when the past meets the future. Today, not only we long for change, we change ourselves. Today, traditions of our ancestors intertwine with modern technology. Today, we can build a society where safety is not just a word. Absence of corruption is not just a dream. Convenient and effective interaction between citizens and authorities is not just an idea. Today, we create a new society. A modern society. Таза коом. New technology, comfortable and safe life.